Example 4 talks about finding zeros, which means we're going to solve this equation. We have x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. One way to solve this equation is to do it by factoring. So common factor is x. That leaves me with x squared minus x minus 2. When I'm down to x squared, I can either factor this or do quadratic formula. In this situation, it does factor, so I have x minus 2 to x plus 1. Once I have it completely factored, I set all three factors equal to 0. So x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. X equals 0 is already solved. So I get 2 by adding 2, and I subtract 1 to get negative 1. I know I'm finished. Since my degree is x to the third, I should come up with 3 possible answers for x there. And there they are right there. Okay. I want you to go ahead and try number 37. And number 37 says f of x equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 3. Press pause so you can come back and see if you can find the answers. Okay, for this one, common factor between those three things is 3. So I'm left with x squared minus 4x plus 1. However, this does not factor. So I have to go into quadratic formula, which says x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. Notice I'm using a for 1, b is negative 4, and c is 1, all over 2 times a, which is 1. Simplify within the square root first, so 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 is 12, divided by 2. Then we have to try to simplify this. If you recall, to simplify the square root of 12, that means to break it down as square root 4 times square root 3. Square root of 4 is 2, so you get 2 square roots of 3. And so this would become 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 over 2. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to divide both these by the 2 on the bottom to get 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. And those are the two answers for that problem, number 37.